Imagine having quality healthcare right where your team works. With Medcor's on-site clinics, that's exactly what employers get. Healthcare brought straight to the job site for everyday treatment, injury care, and preventive services all in one place. Instead of sending someone off-site for minor injuries or routine care and losing work time, Medcor's clinicians evaluate and treat workers on site. That means fewer emergency room visits, reduced workers' compensation claims, and quicker return to productivity. These clinics are tailored to fit your work site, staffed with trained healthcare professionals who understand your industry risks. They handle injury care, screenings, physical exams, immunizations, and even wellness coaching tailored to your workforce. The payoff comes in healthier teams and better outcomes. And employers see lower costs, fewer lost hours, and more consistent health data to guide safety decisions. Medcor on-site clinics put care where your workers are, helping you keep people healthier, safer, and on the job. To learn more, visit medcor.com.